I had to take the difficult decision to stop walking today. It was about 9 o'clock in the morning, it was very difficult, and I had to take a bus and come to Pamplona. I booked myself in a pension room. Very Spartan, but I do have a television, which doesn't make much sense to me now. To watch TV is to watch TV is like going back to the world that I know. And the Camino, is quite, how do I say? Okay, let's try to make this distinction. Okay, starting again. I had to book myself into a hotel and come to Pamplona. No. I had to stop walking and I came to Pamplona. I had to take the very difficult decision to stop walking for a while, as I couldn't just keep going. My feet really hurts. And I do believe that sometimes we have to know where to stop and how to stop, and I did have to do it. What I would like to say though is that to arrive in a city like Pamplona, which probably like 30-40 years ago was very special. It's just like arriving in non-European city, they all look the same. All these cities are just the same. They have the monuments. The monuments differentiate them. But they just globalized kind of metropolitan places where people absolutely they can be adorable, but they just look the same. And I have this metaphor in my mind of the Camino as a kind of an alternative, where you can be closer to yourself and to the other people, and you can be closer to nature, and you can be closer to yourself. There is another life over there that in the cities we have no idea. We have no idea that it exists. We're too used to comfort, we're too used to a nice life. We have everything. We don't need anything in the cities, but we need a lot. And I learned that lesson with the Camino. It grows on you, and I miss it. And I feel pretty miserable here in this little room. But I'm gonna sleep, because I think for the next 2 days, that's what I have to do. I just have to sleep, 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 and heal. Because time heals. That I know.